Are you having a ton of clips in your storage drive?
Girls are watching.
And you wish to go through all of your clips?
You never forget your first kill.
And cut off the unwanted parts and save only the better parts without re-encoding? To use later in your overrated video editor? Okay, sure. Then, for such a huge amount of clips, you shouldn't be using softwares like this. These are only good for just a small amount of clips. Instead, you can use some of the features in Davinci Resolve to cut, organize, and then export bulks of clips into various folders without re-encoding. The 2500 clips you just saw on the intro are inside this folder. But just in case if something goes wrong while cutting so much clips in one go, I divided these clips into subfolders, and each folder contains around 300 clips. Okay, let's clean this mess in 8th folder. Are you ready? Now open the Davinci Resolve. Now create a new project. I named this as EV-Cut8 to remind myself that this project is about cutting the 8th subfolder. Alright, now we are inside the Davinci Resolve. Oh, don't worry guys, we're not gonna edit here, I promise. We are here to just cut some clips. Now go to media page and find where the hell is your clips are. Well, it's easy to find because this is just your computer's file path. So my folder is on drive V cutting clips, EV before cut, E8 before. Now right click and select Add Folder to Media Pool. I don't think this message is relevant to us because we're not gonna edit here, but I went with change anyways. So here are the clips that you're going to cut, because what you just did is telling the Davinci Resolve that these are the clips that you're going to work with. The clips which are in above here are what's in the PC, not in the Davinci. Okay, now go to cut page. Here are the exact same clips that you just told Davinci that you're going to work with. Now, if you click on any clip, you will see its properties and stuff. Now, if you click on the File button, here's the key for this tutorial, the clip color feature. We will come for this very soon. Now, you will need this clip color thing, so just click here and click on clip color to get that clip color tab. Now, click on the name tab to sort by name like you normally would. So anyway, we are here to cut clips, right? So, to preview clips, click here. Nice. Now here's the time bar, or whatever it's called. You can use your mouse and keyboard shortcuts to play, pause, fast forward, rewind, the usual stuff. Okay, let's cut a clip now. I pressed the play button, and if I pressed it again, it will increase the speed of the clip. Okay, she just started to massacre people, so I'm going back a bit to find a suitable location to mark in. And I marked in here because it's just before she starts to kill people. But it's wise to have the context of how the hell did all this started. So I'm going back a bit more and I marked here instead, where she is lifting off.
Twice the carnage. Trips for days.
I think she killed a fly or something on the way back. Kudos to her. Just like I marked in where she was lifting off, I marked out where she was landing off. Now here's where that color thing comes in. I'm gonna put this clip into a category called EV clips for montages, and I give that category orange color. Just like that, reserve any color for any category you want. And as I select the orange, you can see it added an orange tag to the clip. So yeah, just like that, go through all the clips, mark in and mark out, and tag a color to the specific category you want. And also, save the project as a new save file often, because if something goes wrong, you can load an old save file. Okay, just hold on, I'm gonna mark in, mark out, and put color tags to all these clips and be right back. Okay guys, I went through all the 300 clips and gave the colors that I want. Now sort the clips by color. Voila! All the relative clips for each category are now in next to each other. Okay, now select all by selecting a clip and pressing Ctrl A. And right-click on a clip and select Create New Timeline using selected clips. In this dialog box, make sure you ticked in this Use Selected Mark In and Out thing, because otherwise, why the hell did you mark in and out your clips then? Ooh, it's nicely placed on the timeline now. In other words, we have successfully arranged the clips to their respective categories. Oh wait, we're still in the cut page? Okay, now go to edit page. This is the same timeline, nicely and conveniently placed. Now let's start the exporting without encoding. Select a category, aka clips in the same color, and then go to File, Media Management. Select clips and make sure it's on copy, otherwise it's gonna render or encode or whatever. That's definitely not what we are here for. In fact, we are here just to cut and save the clips. Remember? Click on Browse. This is going into After Cut folder. Make a new folder called E8 After, because we are cutting from the 8th subfolder. Okay. And inside that, I'm gonna create EV clips for montages folder, because my orange clips were about that category. Remember? Now choose that folder. Path is correct now. Select Selected Timeline Clips, because we want only the selected orange clips. And not just selected orange clips, but also we want the trims as well, means the mark ins and the mark outs that we added previously. And since we marked in and out on exact places we want, set this to 0 and select it, which says use media and trim keeping 0 frame handles. Remove this tick because otherwise it will make another folder. And what you are seeing here is this 4.85 GB is the size of the orange clips when it's not cut. And likewise, this 2.66 GB is the size after you cut it, means after you press this start button. After you press start, the speed of the extraction depends on the speed of the storage drive you have. Here is the path that these clips are extracting to. You can see it's adding clip by clip. Okay, once you're done with that color, delete the clips from the timeline which has the same color. That's it. Now repeat the process for every category, aka every color for this timeline. And here's the comparison of E8 before folder and E8 after folder. And finally, when your every folder is extracted like you wanted, move your categories from after subfolders to a one place. Because after all, you created these subfolders in case if something goes wrong. Now everything is complete without a problem, so yeah, put them in one folder. And here's the final result after you export all your folders. The before folder and the after folder. See this comparison. The reduced gigabytes are depends the way you cut it.